right, so now we're gonna get into this. So canyon carving, having a great time, going all over the place. Holy crap. Watch out, there's traffic.
Oh non. Oh putain.
All right, so we're moving side of the vehicle right there. The rev bomb doesn't do much. This is what I want you guys to see. That right there, side of the vehicle, path to travel, possible violation. The rev bomb doesn't do anything. Thank you for letting them know. Not a big deal. Merging can be a huge issue out on the interstate. Cutting off another car. Gotta be very careful. You see how you can see it from back here? That's what I like to do. I like to sit back in traffic and I like to watch the dum-dums do their thing up front. Because if that person did hit that car, if it did hit that car right there, I have this much room right here to slow down or swerve. It bought me some time to make a choice. I like to sit back. If you were right up on that car when that person cut you off or cut that person off, man, you would have had to make a split-second decision. This is why you have a good space cushion right here. This right here is why he can just be like, dumb. All right, watch out, merge. There was plenty of room for you just to slow it down, let him in, call it a day. Holy crap. We're going 24 miles an hour. We have this truck in front of this little Mini Cooper, and this lane is going slow. Our lane has a big open spot, and it's moving faster than this lane. Really? We got to do that right now? I mean, look how much room we have. We're positioned for safety. We're not close to them. We are in a staggered formation, basically. So even if that person goes all the way into our lane, we're not going to get hit. It's just going to remove our space cushion and remove some of our line of sight. That's why you reposition for safety. That's why you plan your ride. Position for safety. Locate the hazard. Adapt to the hazard by moving. Navigate a threat if you had to. All right, right here. Watch out for brakes. What was the clue that was going to let you know that this person is going to merge into you? Class, I beg you, what is the clue that you should have seen 3 seconds before this car showed up that if there was anybody in this lane, you need to get out of the way? Take a look at this, guys. We're riding. We're having a great time. We maybe can see the vehicle in the rear mirror because the lights are getting bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. And we know that right lane ends. It said in 1 mile or maybe like 500 feet back, in 500 feet, it says right lane ends, through traffic, merge. I bet you saw that. So here's the thing. This is a surprise. This vehicle coming into our lane is a surprise. What do you do with that surprise? How big of a surprise is it going to be? That all depends on how situationally aware you are. So as soon as you see that you know this person is going to go for that spot, roll off that throttle. Stop fighting for your lane. You start to think, what's safest for this car? What's safest for me? If I just roll off the throttle, let them in, call it a day. So this is out on a track. This is where you push your limits. Look at the runoff. Look at that runoff. Just in case he low sides, look at that runoff. Huge runoff. Oh, I think he fell off. I think he actually fell off. I think the rider fell off. So I think it was a high side and the rider actually flew off. But I want you to take a look real quick. This is what I want this to be known. Okay, Street Rossies. Do what this guy does. Do what this guy does. Knee down, all that stuff. Do it all here at the track, because look at this. Look at this huge runoff. Okay, my marker's blocking it all. But that's the runoff. So if you low-sided, you're going to slide, hit some dirt, and then slow down, and hopefully you never even get close to the wall. So that's why I say do it here. So high side, I think he got launched off right there, and the bike is just kind of laning. Doink. I think that's all that was. Guys, become members today by clicking that join button. I don't think she cares.
Блин, у вас мозги есть, нет? чуть вас не убил и себя. Дура старая.
So possible merging issue are lane splitting, basically. Ooh, good observation from the motorcyclist. He saw it before the car. All right, so now we're gonna get into this. So canyon carving, having a great time, going all over the place. Holy crap. Watch out, there's traffic.
Oh non. Oh putain. Putain, désolé monsieur.
Oh man, what a day, what a day. Woo!
Putain.
What a day. All right, so right here, I want this to be known that we're hauling booty. 81 kilometers, miles, whatever you want to do. It's in the higher upper ranges. We're not really focused on safety because, man, we're in and out of oncoming traffic, utilizing 2 lanes like it's our own personal track. And this is where you can get super hurt. So watch this. Just picking up speed, going through traffic. Look at, we're oncoming traffic lane. We're setting up for the outside, inside, outside, but we're utilizing the wrong lane. If you need this much lane to make a turn like that, you're in a bad spot. You should not be doing that on the road. Now take a look at the road. You got tar snakes, possible debris. We're going super inside. That's why I don't like going inside on random roads like this, especially in the mountains, because the inside portions like that, basically the edges of the road, have a lot of debris. So be very careful with that. Then now we start to see vehicles here. So we have to make this turn. That's a low side. We pushed it a little too hard. And this is exactly what I was talking about when it came to the track. And you have that big runoff. This is the perfect example of it. Big runoff on the track. No runoff here. Possible hit from a vehicle. Thankfully, he slowed down enough. And the bike actually hit the vehicle. So the bike hit the vehicle, but that could easily be your body. Your body would just go underneath it. This bike kind of stopped it like it's a wheel chock, but your body would go underneath it. And it doesn't matter what kind of gear you got crush injuries and you're pretty much done. He's gonna have to deal with insurance. He's gonna have to deal with getting a new bike. He's gonna have to deal with getting new gear. He's gonna have to deal with the embarrassment of it. He's got to deal with how angry this person could be. They could be suing you for civil liabilities. This person could have had whiplash. This person could have had injuries from the airbag, seatbelt, could have had tons of injuries. And then on top of that, there could have been a passenger. There could have been 2 people in the back seat. So now you got 4 people suing you because you wanted to go fast. And yes, this is America. People sue each other. Okay?
Oh non. Oh putain.
But thankfully, there's one person and they're not hurt.
Oh putain de merde.
The gear did help him. The gear saved him. Click the link in the description to enter to win hundreds of dollars in Revzilla gift cards. We're doing this every single month. So if you don't win right now, you can possibly win next month. But if you sign up as a tier 1 to tier 4, you get my ebook for free too. Check it out. Link is in the description. Link is in the description. Click, click, click. Link in description.